Hi friends.
Today we have this robot fish that we got earlier at the store. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna try. It says it should be able to swim 6 feet deep, even though the bathtub is not 6 feet deep. We can still get some water in here and we're gonna try it. It says it also, what did it say, Gigi? Swims 5 different ways. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and show them what it does. Check out this little guy. You wanna show him real close on the camera? Look at that little guy. So he's blue. I wonder what these buttons do on the side. Does that change the mode, you think?
No, it just, those are sensors. When you put it in water, it'll sense and turn on.
Okay, all right. Let's get some water in here and try it out.
Oh! These are the sensors in water, and these are his eyes, and you see that engine right there? See that little thing right there? That's his engine. And this is where he takes batteries.
Where's the battery spot at?
Right there.
Oh, right under the head? Okay.
Yeah.
So that screw comes out and then you can replace the batteries?
Yeah.
After the batteries die. Can you see the batteries through the fish?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you ready to give it a try?
Yes.
All right.
There we go. Oh, he's running in and stuff. Going backwards, he's going up. There it goes. This one, there it goes. He's underwater. There it goes.
Fast little guy.
Yeah, he's fast.
Swimming down, that's cool.
Hey,
Wow.
what's he doing? There it goes. Turn back. There you go. But the upside down is. Oh, no, he's not. Like it was. There it goes. Underwater. Whoop. There it is. Ah! Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
Bye.